Here you can see the whole city. See, the roads here are crazy. This intersection is just stupid. Time to get back on the road. Ah. Wait. Whoa, slippery. Let's see if we find our way out of Florence. First, out of the campsite. I don't seem to be very lucky with the weather here in Italy. It seems like it's raining most days I'm here. There you go. Thank you. Florence is really a beautiful, beautiful city. There's so many more things I want to explore here. I only had a short time here now, enough to visit some coffee shops. But I have to come back here and see and learn more about this city, because it's so fascinating. It's really annoying. Yesterday I was filming some coffee videos for the coffee channel, and after visiting a bunch of coffee shops and walking around the city talking about it, I realized that half of my footage don't have any audio on it. This has been an issue for a long time now. I don't understand why sometimes my equipment doesn't record audio. Sometimes it does, and then randomly it doesn't. So half the clips have audio and half don't. And I've used different microphones and I've used different cameras, but it keeps happening. I don't understand why. So I did get to film some coffee shops, but I'm not sure exactly how much of it has any audio, so we'll see what happens. Before we leave Florence for good, let's go have a look at what the city looks like from above. Over here there's a viewpoint where you can see the whole city. It's usually packed with people, but here you can see the whole city. Everyone wants a picture from here, I guess. This is the spot. It's a really, really beautiful city. And that dome in the middle is just insane. So, this is Florence from above. Now, let's head to Rome and see what that looks like. While I was visiting one of the coffee shops in Florence, Symbiosi, this really cool thing happened. This guy came up to me and said he recognized me and been watching some of my videos. I love when that happens.
Pretty sure I've seen videos from your channel.
You have?
Yes. Och jag också snackar norsk. För jag har studerat norsk på universitetet i Firenze.
Ja, har du? Du kan studera norsk här?
Ja. Du kan, i Italien kan du studera norsk i Firenze, Milano, Roma. Och det är det.
Varför?
Hvorfor jeg er på vei til å snakke norsk?
Ja.
Jeg var interessert i et forskjellig språk. Og,
Ja, så kult. Hvordan har du funnet min kanal da?
jeg husker ikke, men jeg følger andre kaffe-channels.
Du er også interessert i kaffe?
Ja.
Bor du her i Firenze? Har du noe å gjøre i morgen? Har du lyst til å gå og ta en kaffe en plass?
Her er jeg.
Har du lyst til å gå og ta en kaffe en plass i morgen, for eksempel?
Ja, selvfølgelig. Ja.
Nice.
And then we decided to go for a cup of coffee together, and he took me to some of the local places and introduced me to some of his friends. We went to a wine tasting. That was really cool. I didn't get to film any of it, unfortunately, but this is one of the best things about making these YouTube videos is meeting people like this and getting these types of experiences. I love when that happens. Today I got a bit of a late start, way too late start. The rain this morning kind of just demotivated me to pack up and get going. So I was spending a lot of time packing up camp today. Now it's almost 3:30 and I have like 5 hours or so to roam. So I'm gonna get there late today. Some days are just like this. I don't know. I lose all motivation. I don't want to do anything, and everything takes so long. But not every day can be perfect and exciting. So nice to ride through the Italian countryside. It smells really fresh now. It's like slightly rainy and really humid. Oh, rock in the road. This road is great though. I wish it would stop raining though. It smells very nice and it's very fresh, but with this humidity, so it's I feel sweaty and gross and cold at the same time. So I'm sweaty and I'm cold. It's a strange combination. I don't know if I should put my rain suit on or not. It's not like it's raining, but I don't know. I'm getting moist. Not that I'm getting wet all the way through, but I'm getting moist and everything gets heavy. Oh wow. Look at this view though. This GPS wants to take me on the highway and this one takes me on the country roads. So I'm I'm trying to avoid the highway, but if I don't want to arrive too late tonight, I guess I'll have to get on the highway at some point. Such a nice view. Look at the castle on top there. Every one of these little towns has like some sort of castle or fortification or church, medieval thing on top of the town. Look at this. Huh. Wow. It's getting quite cold now. Wondering if I should stop and put my rain suit on. Just yeah, I'll do that. Let me stop and put my rain suit on. Rain is just miserable. There we go. Rain suit on. Alright. It's just getting worse and worse. It was slightly raining when I left now, and then now it's just starting to pour down. Oh well, can't really do much about that. I think I'll just get back on the highway now, because it's not that fun exploring when the weather is like this. Now I kind of just want to get to Rome. Rain is just getting worse and worse and worse. Now it's pouring down. Right. We're almost in Rome. Roma. Yeah. Now I'm really cold. I think it's like 5 degrees and just rain. Rain. Getting off the highway at least. Oh. Let's see if we can find this hostel that I booked. I booked a hostel for 3 nights. So I was thinking of staying in Rome for 2 days. 3 nights. I looked at the forecast though. It's gonna rain the whole week here. So I'm not sure that it's gonna rain like this or worse. Tomorrow it was supposed to be like 100% rain and just like lightning storms and everything. So I'm not sure my plans will happen, because I really wanted to explore the city and visit some coffee shops and go be a tourist. It is Rome, see the Colosseum and stuff like this, but I don't know. Sightseeing and touristing in this weather and walking from coffee shop to coffee shop in this weather, it's not the most fun. That's life, I guess. Not much you can do about the weather, just have to adapt. So yes, I'll find something else to do here. It's difficult to see anything. If I close the visor, everything fogs up, and if I open it, I get all the rain of it. I can't see anything. Oh, I think I went in the wrong lane. I'm supposed to go left in that lane. But, and the rain keeps pushing my GPS. It's annoying. I can't see where the lines in the road is. Am I in the opposite lane now? What the hell? This is tricky. Ugh. I was kind of excited for the ride today. It's supposed to be pretty nice between Florence and Rome if you go in the mountains. But today it didn't really turn out that way. So what the hell is going on? What are you doing? Backing in the middle of the intersection? Oh, this was a nice building. Kind of looks Asian, Chinese almost. What does that van cost? At some point in my life I have to get one of those. Yeah, stay away from the tram lines, the rails. Wet tires, and especially off-road tires on the metal. It's scary. I know this was not the most exciting episode. It was a bit, well, when the weather is like this, it's not much to do. All my plans went out the window. But I hope you guys enjoy this quick little ride anyway. If you did, give me a thumbs up, click subscribe and ring the bell if you want to see what happens next. I don't really know. I was planning on exploring Rome a little bit, but now, since it's going to rain for 3-4 days straight, I'm not sure what's going to be interesting or fun to do. But next I am heading towards Venice. That's the direction. I don't know how much time I'm going to spend getting there. 2 days, 3 days, 4 days. I don't know exactly. But that's the next destination, at least, or direction. Venice. So if you want to see that, then tune in the next one. This looks like an old Roman gate. Well, we're in Rome, so I guess technically everything here is Roman. But the hell? See, the roads here are crazy. This is intersection. It's just stupid. No lines, no nothing, no... How do you know where to go? Yeah, this looks like ancient Roman. What is this? Is this the old city wall? Or... Oh, this is where the hostel is supposed to be. This must be it. The guest house, yeah. Oh, yes, I can park here for now while I check in. Hopefully it is here. Someone forgot their shoes. Huh. I guess I gotta find my passport and everything. Checking in. There. Then I have to start carrying all of this stuff somewhere. Hope they have luggage room. Apparently, I have to go to another place. Since I have a motorcycle, he said. What the hell? Can you stop pressing things? There. Okay. That's up here. I wonder what was this, an aqueduct or is it a wall? Because it doesn't look like a wall for safety. And what is going on here? Why is the road closed off? Wonder what's going on. Oh, wow, that's a cool building. What is that? Here, no, next one. Supposed to be here somewhere. And they said there was a motorcycle parking outside, out front. Oh yeah, here. There. Okay. Right. So this is my room tonight. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 bed dorm. It's another couple from Colombia here, so I get to practice my Spanish again. That's nice. Damn it! This is on the second floor, carrying all of this stuff up. It's hard work. Whew, now I need a shower. Okay, I guess I'll see you in the next one. Peace.